Have you ever painted something, stepped back and thought, why does it look so fake? You use the right colors, the brushwork is fine, but somehow it doesn't feel natural. The problem is not your painting, it's the color. And today I am going to show you a ridiculously simple way to make your colors look instantly more real and natural, that too using a color wheel. This is called neutralizing high chroma colors with their complement, a concept that pro artists use all the time but rarely talks about. In this video I am using Daniel Smith Phthalo Green. It's bold, cool toned and staining color. This is one of those colors that demand attention, but that's not always a good thing. So what chroma is exactly? Chroma refers to the intensity of a color, and phthalo green has a very high chroma. It is beautiful on its own way, but in nature inspired paintings it often feels artificial. So if we want to make our paintings look believable, we have to tame that chroma, and that's where we use complementary colors. Let's see this in action. I am painting a leaf, but instead of using straight green from the tube, I am neutralizing mixes of phthalo green with orange. Now look at this. This is a green that looks way more natural than the other. You can use this technique with any color. If a color is a cross or directly opposite from the other on a color wheel, then it is a complementary color. Mix both of the colors to bring down the saturation or to make muted natural hues. It creates depth, believability and subtle harmony, and the best part is you only need two colors to get started. So the next time your colors look too artificial, you know what to do. Grab the complement, adjust the mix and watch your colors get natural and realistic.